In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mention someone in an Airtable comment using the @ symbol so you can notify teammates and collaborate more effectively. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Airtable. Once you're on the site, click the Login button in the top right corner and enter your credentials. After you're logged in, you'll see your workspace with all your bases. Go ahead and open the specific base where you want to work. This is the main table of information that contains your project data. Next, select the record where you need to leave a comment. This could be a task, a contact, or any item you're tracking. Once the record is selected, open the Record Details panel. You can usually do this by clicking on the record itself, which expands a full view of all its fields. Now, locate the Comments section within this panel. It's typically found near the bottom, but its exact position can vary depending on your base layout. Click inside the comment box to activate the text field. Here's the key part. Type the @ symbol followed by the team member's name. As you type, a list of suggestions will appear, showing matching users who have access to this base. Select the correct person from that list by clicking on their name. This ensures the mention is properly linked. Then, finish typing your comment with any context, such as a question or an update. When you're ready, press Enter or click the Send button to post the comment. The mentioned team member will immediately receive a notification, either within Airtable or via email, depending on their settings. A few tips to keep in mind. Use @mentions to notify teammates about tasks, updates, or questions. It's a direct way to grab their attention without cluttering their inbox. Just make sure the person has access to the base or record before mentioning them. Otherwise, they won't be able to see the comment. Also, keep your message specific so teammates know exactly what action is needed. Finally, avoid excessive mentions to prevent unnecessary notifications, which can become distracting over time. And that's it. You've now learned how to mention someone in an Airtable comment using the @ symbol. You're all set to collaborate more efficiently and keep your team in the loop. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.